Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to redeem your Groupon gift card. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address field at the top, type in www.groupon.com and press enter. Make sure you're logged into your Groupon account. Once you are, click on your My Stuff drop-down at the top right-hand corner and this will bring up an expanded pop-up menu. Right at the bottom of the pop-up, you'll be able to see a Redeem Gift Card button. Click it on, and on the next page, enter your gift code in the first text box. Once you are done, head over to the next field and type in your PIN number. Make sure to type it in correct and finally click on the Redeem button right next to it. That is how you'll be able to redeem a gift card on Groupon. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.